sa tinguha nato nga makabot nato ang kabakuhan.
Solemnity and prayer for peaceful elections was the common message of Cebu City's mayoralty candidates and their slate as the campaign period for the local election starts today, March 25. As early as 7 a.m., a sea of yellow and green balloons, shirts, and caps flooded the vicinity of Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral as Partido Barog, Partido Kusog, and Partido Panaghiusa kicked off their campaign, led by incumbent Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama and his running mate Councilor Raymond Garcia.
Kamay lang ang akong busy ngayon, man o ang ating congresswoman. Okay?
Hundreds of supporters from Cebu City South and North District gathered outside the cathedral to rally behind their candidates. Rama also expressed his gratitude to the late Mayor Edgar Labella, who was his running mate for the past 3 elections. He promised to support Labella's only son, JP, who is running as North District Councilor.
First, in behalf sa akong partido, Partido Barog, Pinigilapan, Marino Party List, daghang salamat sa inyong pagtampo. Papa!
Simultaneously, independent mayoral candidate and incumbent councilor Dave Tumulak officially launched his mayoralty campaign with a Thanksgiving Mass at the Holy Cross Parish in Barangay Basak Pardo. Tumulak admitted that his campaign was not as grand as the other candidates, given the fact that he is running solo. Since he lacks the power of machinery, his strategy is to visit every sitio to gain the support of the Cebuanos.
Saylo ninyo nga dilita igunana sama kabungga sa ato ang pagsugod sa atong kampanya kay kinahanglan atong admitahon nga dili nato kaya ang paggasto og ingon niya na ay sayod kamo nga wa tay partido, wa tay makinarya. Nagsalig lang ko kaninyong among mga katawhan. Ako naghangyo sa atong mga kaigsunan labi na kaninyong mga supporters. Sultihi palihog ang inyong mga kaliwat, kahigalaan ninyo sa ato ang mensahe. Sayod sad ko nga doon na mo'y nakita nga mga dili mao na sitwasyon sa atong dakbayan. Apan dili kana mao'y tumong nato. Ang importante ang pagtinabangay.
Following the mass, Tumulak and his supporters gathered for a motorcade and went to Inayawan landfill for their campaign rally. Meanwhile, Cebu City mayoralty candidate Margarita Osmeña of Bando Osmeña Pundo Kauswagan or BOPK was greeted by her supporters who waited hours to witness the kickoff of today's local campaign held at Barangay Guadalupe. The former councilor, with former Mayor Tomas Osmeña and Vice Mayoralty candidate Franklin Ong, led the BOPK slate, whose activities started with a solemn mass at the National Shrine of Our Lady of Guadalupe. Osmeña hopes for a peaceful campaign, free from harassments, unlike what happened to their supporters during the 2019 midterm elections.
Of course, we pray na dili na mahitabo and sa akong we signed the peace covenant the other day. Sana we keep our word.
Karon nga na-start na ang election campaign sa atong mensahe nila.
Make the choice. The future is yours. Nandun sa ilang mga kamot. That's it.
This has been Mariel Therese Deocampo, MyTVCebu's intern.